Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we are going to install the carburetor.
Okay, we installed the carburetor, did not hook up the linkage, we just have it connected to the base, and we're going to work the throttle by hand just to see how it goes. And then I have a vacuum gauge connected to two. Just bought a cheap one from Harbor Freight. It was about 15 bucks to check vacuum pressure, and we're going to give it a try right now. Okay, turn it over. Okay, shut it off. Shut it off. Okay, well there you have it. Look how simple.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video. Bye guys!